Well, we're back on the road, heading south to Kurrimine, which is south of Innisfail. We enjoyed our stay at Cairns, very nice. The caravan park, I'm rating it as the best one I've stayed in ever. So, off we go again. We're planning on staying for maybe 4 nights, but subject to how it looks, we may extend our stay. Maybe there's fish to be caught here. I still haven't caught my fish. We're staying at Kurrimine Beach for a few days at the King Reef Resort, which is a resort, a caravan park, and a really nice one right on the coast. It's great location, one of 3 caravan parks in town, but this one is a beauty, so let's take a look around. Walk down the beach south from the caravan park, where the river comes very close to the beach. It'd only be maybe 30-40 meters between the beach and the river. It's great. Alongside the caravan there's a pocket of natural, very thick bush, and we were wondering if that's where the curlews might spend their days. Now,
and we thought that just because we saw a couple of bush chickens run through, and we thought maybe those curlews stay here as well.
Now, you may know what a curlew is, and until a few weeks back I didn't. Now, a curlew is a semi-nocturnal, long-legged bird.
Bird.
A bit like a road runner.
When they run, yeah.
Now what they do, their feature is a screaming, loud, weird noise.
And they really scream, and I've seen them running at night, and it just seems to us that they're like running under a caravan, screaming and then running to the next one, because when you look out and see them, they're bolting like teenagers ringing a doorbell and running away.
Yes, so anyway, here's a photo. This is what they look like. When we were at Port Douglas, this family was camped in the garden next to our caravan, behaving themselves. They were very, very quiet during the day, so thought they were good curlews.
Until it got night time.
But that night time, and they sound a little bit like this. Yeah, it's a very distinctive noise.
Yes, unlike any bird sound I have ever heard.
What you up to, Nat?
Well, it's a rainy day, and I decided I'm going to make scones in my Tupperware Micro Pro grill. So I'm just going to made a half a batch. Here we go. Just going to cut it up and cook them. Right, so the time is gone. I've never made them in this before, so let's hope we have a winner. Let's see, what do they look like? Okay. I've just turned them over. I'm going to give them 1 more minute. So there we go. Give them 1 more minute. I'm going to just do a test cut now to see how they went, given it's the first time I made them in the microwave. Ow. I'll tell you, they're hot. That's looking alright. Bit of butter, yum yum. Okay, well here we go. They're looking alright, but now for the big test bite. They need jam and cream, don't have that. That's good. And my lunch.
I'm down at the Kurrimine boat ramp having a bit of a fish. This is the third time I've been down here. The first time one of the other guys got a nice 60 centimetre queenie, so I thought this place is pretty hot. But the next couple of times I've been, I haven't caught anything. So this time I've changed my plan. I've brought a little hook. I'm trying to catch some live bait. I'm going to put some live bait on, so we'll see how that goes.
So in Kurrimine there are actually 3 caravan parks and an overflow area if either one of those are full. There doesn't seem to be a little local supermarket, but there is a small amount of grocery items available at the local fuel store, which actually sells fuel at a really reasonable price. Same price as if you've been into Innisfail. We were talking to some locals the other day and they actually go to Innisfail for major shopping. It's only about 20 minutes, so probably why there's no store here. There's also 2 boat ramps. There's one right into the main I guess ocean area, the bay, and then there's one off in the creek. So depending if you want to go creek fishing or ocean fishing, you got 2 boat ramps to choose from. So there you go, good little spot.
On the road between Kurrimine and Cowley, there's this nice creek. We've taken a drive from Kurrimine up to Cassowary Beach, around 20 k's north. Another small coastal town right on the water's edge. Caravan park backs onto the ocean. Very nice spot. Certainly beachside living here. Some of the old sugarcane carriages. Well, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and please like, share, subscribe, and most importantly, keep on watching.